So hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to print from capital A to capital Z. Also we will see how to print from small a to small z. So first of all, let's see how to print from capital A to capital Z. So for this we should know what is the ASCII value of capital A. I hope you all know what's the ASCII value. Every key you press on the keyboard has its ASCII value. It's like comma, full stop, or whatever you print, everything has its ASCII value. So number 1 also has its ASCII value as 49, that numeric 1 I am saying. So ASCII value, as you all know, stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and in this case for printing capital A to capital Z, you should know that the ASCII value of capital A is 65. So using this we will print from capital A to capital Z. So let's see how to print that. So let's begin to code. So first of all we will introduce the header file, hashtag include stdio.h. You must include this header. After this we will introduce the main function in which we will write our code. As we are printing from A to Z, that's a continuous process. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. क्योंकि हमें लगातार A से Z तक प्रिंट करना है, तो इसके लिए हम एक फॉर लूप क्रिएट करेंगे, क्योंकि वी नो द डेड एंड, हमें इसका फाइनल पॉइंट पता है क्योंकि जो कि Z है. So let's introduce a variable, say I, and we will assign the value of I as 65, as the ASCII value of A, capital A, is 65, and it will be less than equal to 65 plus 25. Now 65 is the ASCII value of A, and B, C, D, F to Z, that there will be these 25 elements. So from A 65 to Z, after A there will be 25 elements from B to Z. I hope you understand this. 65 plus 25, and we will increase I by 1 every time. So now we will print this. We will use %c here, as we are going to print the character from here, from this ASCII values. So, and we will give the value I here, as for every ASCII value we are printing this character for that. So let's run, or if you want to insert the space for more clarity to see in the result. Yeah, you can see this A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And if you will introduce a \n, then you will get every element in each row. So I hope you understand this. So now let's see how to print from small a to small z. So to print from small a to small z, you should know the ASCII value of small a. That's enough for that. So here we will use ASCII values 2. So value of small a is 97 in ASCII code. So also I have told you the ASCII value of capital A is 65. For your further information, ASCII value of 1 is 49. That might be helpful or not, I don't know, just I want to tell you this. So you should remember these two, 97 to 65, 97 and 65. That will be useful for you in your basic codes and might be as helpful for your further coding. So let's see how to code this. As we have done this from capital A to capital Z, we will change a little bit here only, so you get the point what I am trying to say. So हम इसमें changes कर देते हैं जिससे आपको समझ आ जाए. As I have told you that the value starts from 97 onwards, so again we will introduce here 97, and 25 will be, that's as it is, क्योंकि A से Z के लिए होना तो स्मॉल ए है हमारा 97, सो बी सी डी से लेके जेड तक 25 एलिमेंट्स होंगे, तो ये हमने ऐड 25 कर दिया है. सो everything will be as it is. Let's print the code. Yeah, you can see A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P to Z, and if we will delete this \n, it will be in a single row. So yes, A B C D से Z तक. I hope you got the point, and for your further clarification, let's introduce 49 here, and 49 to up to, let's say it's 25 only. Let's print that. So from here I guess you got the point that every element has its ASCII value. So you can see from here that semicolon, colon, less than, equal to, greater than, every keyboard element has its ASCII value. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.